In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile view of your WordPress website. Having a website that looks great on mobile devices is more important than ever. With so many people browsing the web on their phones, ensuring your site is mobile-friendly can make all the difference in delivering a smooth and professional user experience. Whether you're adjusting text sizes, tweaking image placement, or optimizing spacing, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. If you're ready to make your site shine on smaller screens, let's get started. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and follow along. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on that. This is the first step to accessing your WordPress account and getting started with editing. On the login screen, you'll notice an option to continue with Google. Select that option. Using Google's authentication system is not only secure, but also saves you time by bypassing the need to manually enter your credentials. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account you want to connect with WordPress. This step ensures that your WordPress experience is tied to the Google account you've selected, keeping things streamlined and convenient. After you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Quick Links section and click on the prominent Edit Site link. Doing this will activate the Site Editor mode, which is where all the customization magic happens. Next, you'll see a list of your websites displayed in the Site Editor. Find the site you want to work on and click on it. This will open your website in the editing environment, where you can make the changes you need. Now let's focus on viewing and optimizing for mobile devices. At the top right corner of the editing interface, locate the desktop view icon. Click on it. Doing so will reveal additional viewing modes and settings, allowing you to adjust how you preview and edit your site. From the options that appear, select Mobile View. This changes the preview to show how your website will look on mobile devices, which is crucial for ensuring your site is user-friendly on smaller screens. Once you're in Mobile View, it's time to start making adjustments. Begin by tweaking elements like text sizes, spacing, and images. For example, if your headings look too large on a phone, reduce their size to make them more readable. Check the spacing between sections to ensure everything feels balanced and not too cramped. And don't forget to resize or reposition images so they display properly without overwhelming the screen. These adjustments are essential for creating an optimized, polished experience for mobile visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit the mobile view of your WordPress website. By following these steps, you can ensure your site looks professional and functions seamlessly on mobile devices. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.